He worked night and day, long hours, and did everything possible for me to be able to get this place. And with me being a veteran and not having to put any money down, a lot of people usually frown on not being able to put any money down, but yet was still able to make the deal happen, and he got it for $12,000 less than the original asking price.
I would like to say 5 stars for communication. It's really a very smooth purchasing experience, and it's very positive experience for me.
He is really the God-given realtor for us because whenever we see houses, he is already prepared for all the houses that we're going to visit. So from those houses, I could select which one I want. Overall, I'm satisfied with Rudy's team, and if anyone is looking for a house, I would definitely recommend Rudy's team. They are awesome.